Joining me now to talk about children's rights and advocacy is John Williams. He is the founder and director of the organization Canadian Children's Rights Initiative. John, thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome, Christine. It's nice to be here.
John, before we go on with this topic, tell us about your organization.
Well, I started this initiative in response to some of the problems I was seeing children encounter in their school environments, in their social environments, in their encounters with the law and the courts, the judiciary, and just the general place of children in our society. I believe that they have been disenfranchised in our society, and that causes some really serious problems for all of us that no one is quite seeing clearly yet. So I'm trying to help people gain an awareness of the implications of the elimination or leaving children out of our social contract.
And you've worked on getting support in this area?
I've worked very hard. I've written a set of essays that I published on my website firstly, and then on my blog spot. And these essays have been read by some very esteemed Canadians, including some senators. The senators, although they're criticized sometimes these days, have been doing extraordinary things to help children, to help Canada, and to help others. These are some fine Canadians. Mm-hmm. On top of that, I've recently gained the support of the Ombudsman of Ontario. Now, Mr. Morin is an extraordinary Canadian.
Oh, he certainly is, I have to say so.
He's a wonderful man.
I've interviewed him a couple of times.
Oh, lucky you.
Oh, he's a great guy.
Yeah. So these are some of the examples, but my initiative reaches beyond that, because in order to ensure the well-being of our children, we have to ensure the well-being of our environment, of our financial and economic grounding here in Canada, and of the general security of the world. I mean, if the world's exploding in violence and war, eventually that will come here and touch us in our homes.
Now,